Welcome to our channel. Today we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get insurance through Blue Cross Blue Shield. Step 1. Determine your coverage needs. Decide if you need individual, family, or employer-sponsored insurance. Consider coverage for medical, dental, or vision needs. Step 2. Visit the Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Go to bcbs.com and select your state to view available plans and coverage options. Step 3. Compare plans. Review different plan types such as HMO, PPO, or high-deductible plans. Compare premiums, deductibles, copays, and network providers to find the best fit. Step 4. Get a quote. Use the online quote tool to estimate your monthly premium and out-of-pocket costs. Enter personal and household information for an accurate quote. Step 5. Submit your application. Apply online by filling out personal information, household details, and payment method. Some plans may require additional documentation. Step 6. Review and accept coverage. Once approved, review your policy documents carefully. Confirm start dates, coverage details, and any additional benefits. Step 7. Set up online account. Create a Blue Cross Blue Shield online account to manage claims, pay premiums, and access your insurance ID card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.